nice. I just created a look using 3 products, and this is what I come out with. Hello to my subscriber, hello everyone, and for those who's passing by, hello, and please subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna use just 3 products for makeup today. I'm gonna use blush and a palette, and then just an eyeliner, nothing else, just 3 of them. And let's start. We don't need to put a primer today. I'm gonna use a mirror from this, but I'm not gonna use the palette. Then I'm gonna start putting on my blush. Put this everywhere. And the sun, and I'm gonna use this. This is Tarte Self-sharpening eyeliner. Eyeliner Auto Tellable. Actually, this one has got an eyeliner. I think you could put this in the eye as well. Put this in the eye. It's just for a tiny wing. Just a tiny wing. Tiny po tayo dito. Have to quiet this part. Lashes. That's it. That's for the eye. Blush again.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Like contour back.
I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just
just using a blush. Just put in this like drunk blush.
You told me
And then we're using this.
commitment, trust me. Consider your message received.
I like that. Favorite part.
Seriously, I must admit,
So far I've used 2 products.
never wanna play.
And then we're gonna use the palette. All of it has a good name. We're gonna use this as like contour. I'm gonna use this. It's called, I think this one is Going Places. Going Places. I'm gonna put it in our nose. Just this part.
Another direction. Don't worry, I get it.
This part.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look.
Use this brush.
Never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. But we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.
And then this. Just got that nostrils.
We can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can
And this
still
one.
have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun.
Wrong brush. It's like handsome brows. Yung kalbo part lang yung nilalagay ko. So medyo looks bold. It looks antique. I just got to get rid. That was just that one I used. I'm gonna use this and this. You can use this brush. For this one, this will really make it happen. So every time makagamit ng concealer, you're gonna be able to use concealer because you're just using 3 products. May breakouts ako dito. I'm gonna use the same palette, the same shade. Dito. I use this brush doesn't have numbers in it, but I got it because it's got orange, and orange, the green, you can get rid of the green. And then these, that was the I've used, and then the third one would be, I'm going to put that as well in my lid. Just like, don't too much. All over my lid. All over. Lahat ng lid. And I'm going to use the same brush I have. I'm put it straight. That name would be, what is it? Hashtag work. Hashtag work. put that here. Connect it into the tail of your wing liner. Connect mo sa contact nitong wing liner natin. Tapos sa teardrop mo, may matapos. Harap. Easy, oh sorry. Put that on the other side. Like that. Connect it in the tail. Connect sa buntot. There we go. Para it's at the same time. Para makatulungan. Parang nililinis na din. Yung wing liner mo. Parang nililinis na rin at the same time. Ganda. It's ganda. Use the, make it happen. This part.
They never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind.
Kung gamit natin yung make it happen para matapunan din yung kan. Imperfection na yung problema natin dito. Cause ng problem.
Been hurt before.
This is like a 3-product challenge. Like a challenge. Sino pa rin dito? Okay. Try ko din kaya mag 2-product lang. Ayan. Tapos the same as well, all the shade. Shimmer shade. Saan natin dito? Wah, limited. Medyo panik ko natin. Blend natin. Parang highlights natin dun. Wala. Ibok po ako dito sa baba. Hindi ko siya pinaplock. Plucking them. Yan po. Gagamitin din natin ito as a highlight. Tapos use your finger. Sabayin natin ang isang daliri kasi mukhang bastos eh. Dito. Wala na itong natin, walang primer, walang foundation. I was just trying if you could make a look on 3 products. Just using 3 products. 3 produkto, 3 product lang. Nag-try ko siya baka kung makagawa ko ng look. Pakain namin natin. Dito. Gamitin natin ulit yung blush. Okay, wala ding kwan. Wala ding tawag nito. Mascara. Pero pwede din natang gamitin ng tono. Hindi naman include. Just curling. Ayan. Okay na ba? Ito natin. Araw. Pulang-pula. Dito ko nilalagay. This was my new look. I actually had one. I actually created one. A look like this. It's just blush all over around my eyes. I mean, yeah, my eyes. Somewhere here and here. On the winter time. December, I think it was. Tapos gamitin natin itong brush for the powder for using the make it happen. This one. Parang pa-powder na highlights. Kinamang powder yung eyeshadow. Okay naman siya. That's it. I think it's done. We didn't even have lip because I don't usually use lipstick anyway. hindi ako gumagamit masyado ng lipstick. Tapos na po. And we only use 3 products for this look. 3 product. Ito lang po. At saka blush and this palette. This palette is Tarte. The Glam on the Go. Glam on the Go. No, Glam on the Go palette. And that's all for today. We're gonna use 3 products for this look. And I was challenging myself if I could do a look with just 3 products, if it is possible. Because before, I think in Philippines we use when we do makeup, we use more, because you use lipstick to put all over your face, because you use it to the lid and the cheeks as well, and the lips. Yun lang. Yun lang po. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you like this video. And you could try it as well. Just you could do it yourself using 3 products. Make a look with 3 products. That's it. Thank you for today. Salamat po for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye. Thank you.